Hello everyone, welcome to How To Tutorials. For this video of How To Tutorial, I will be showing you how to see if someone blocked you on Snapchat. For that, open the Snapchat application first. Now, once you open the Snapchat, what you need to do is you need to go and tap on the message icon on the side, tap that, and here you will find all the friends that you have sent snaps to. Then you can tap on the search bar on top and type in the friend username of your Snapchat. So you just type in the Snapchatter username over here. If you find on your search result the username or the friend, that means that friend have not blocked you. But even typing a correct Snapchatter username, the name has not been seen on the search result, that may be because the person had blocked you. That's why the search result for that username is not showing. So basically, it's the one thing how you will be able to find whether someone has blocked you or not. You just type in their username or the ID, and if the search result did not show any name, then they must have unfriended you or blocked you. So this is how you can find if someone blocked you on Snapchat or not. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the How To Tutorial YouTube channel. Thank you.